Okay, so our topic for this day is all about circles, with which specifically about circumference and area of a circle. So let's just define first about the circle. So committed circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a given point called the center of the circle. So from the center to a specific points, no, kay same ra na sila ng mga kuan kanang equidistant lang siya sa a given point to the center of the circle. So, ang kana na kuan from the center of the circle to the certain point, no, kay gitawag na nato siyang radius. So, radius is the distance from the center to a point on the circle. Again, the center to a point of the circle. So, that is what we call the radius. Kung may tag diameter kay mo agi siya, this is the distance na mo agi across the center of the circle or through the center of the circle. Now, when we talk about circumference, numani ang distance around the circle. So, di ba nag-isgot ang mga parameters sa una, parameter of a square, parameter of a kuan, of a triangle, like that. So, kining circumference, this is just like the perimeter. No, so this is the distance around the circle. Unsa man ang distance around the circle. So, ang formula that we will be using when we talk about circumference kay C is equal to 2 pi r. Ano? If natay given a radius, then kini ato gamiton 2 pi r if ang given nato kay diameter. So, we will be using the formula C is equal to pi times t. So, always remember na ang ato gamiton, pareha dapat tatanan ha, na pi is equivalent to 3.14. Actually, 3.14 something na siya, pero ato lang siyang tawagan na, approximate no into 3.14. Again, the value for pi, i-approximate lang na nato siya into 3.14. So, circumference formula. So, again, C is equal to 2 pi times r. R is the radius. And C, or you can also use this. C is equal to pi times D, where D is the diameter. So, pi, do not forget that this is 3.14, no? And we will have an example, no? Find the circumference of the following circles. So again, find the circumference of the following circles. So round your answer to the nearest 10. So atong i-round off ang atong kanang answer. So for example, this circle here natay radius na 2. So we will be using the formula 2 pi r because ang given is 2 man siya. No, and 2 is our radius. Ang given ka radius man, so we will be using 2 pi r. So C is equal to 2 pi times r. So that like you copy 2 and then you copy pi and then si r nato is 2. So we have 2 times 2, 4 pi. And si pi nato is 3.14. So 4 times 3.14, we get the answer of 12.6. Okay? Now for the second one, we have here a circle again and the diameter is 10. So, kung saan man nato siya pag-solve, then we will use the formula C is equal to pi times D. So, ang ato pi is 3.14. I-multiply nato siya sa 10 because our diameter is 10. So, 10 times 3.14, we get the answer of 31.4. Okay, another example. The circumference of a circle is 10. Again, ang circumference daw nato sa ato circle is 10. So, given nasa circumference, what is its diameter in terms of pi? Unsa daw ang ato diameter? So, pangitao nato ang diameter. Di ba natay C, wait lang ha. Di ba natay formula na C is equal to, maklaro ba ka ni? Pi times, D. So, after that, ang ato na circumference is 10. And then, ang ato pi is equal to pi times D. So, ang ato gipangita kay si D man, so dapat ang mabilin sa right side is T. So, unsa ito imon para makancel si pi, divide both sides by pi. Divide both sides by pi. So, cancel si pi here, cancel si pi here. So, napilin din kay D. That's equal to D is equal to 10 over pi. Maning na atay nga nila formula here. So, So, pwede lang na ninyo sa 10 divided by 3.14, then makakam up na yung tag answer kung pila ang diameter. So, pila man ang 10 divided by 3.14. Wala, let's use our calculator. 10 divided by 3.14, the answer is 3.18. Or i-round off ba nato into the nearest 10. So, we have 3.2. 3.2 po ang answer. Number 3, the third example, the radius of a circle is 8. What is the circumference in terms of pi? So, we have here, radius is 8 daw. So, 2 times 8 is 16. That's why we get C is equal to 16 pi. Now, we are actually done with the circumference of the circle. Now, let's proceed to the area of the circle. So, lahira ang circumference sa area of a circle. Again, lahira ang circumference sa area of a circle. So, ang formula that we will be using for the area of a circle is area, or A is equal to pi r squared. Again, pi r squared. Sa circumference, ang formula nga naata kay C is equal to 2 pi r or 2 or pi d di or pi d. But in the area of a circle, kay the formula that we will be using is area, or A is equal to pi r squared. Naka-squared ang ato r. Again, naka-squared ang ato r. Example, find the area of the following circle. Round to the nearest 10. Again, i-round off rin gyapon nato siya to the nearest 10. So, area pi r squared. We have example, ang ato radius here is 7. So, we have A is equal to pi 7 ang ato radius squared. So, 7 times 7, that's 49. Kung may tag squared, you multiply 7 to itself. So, 7 times 7, that's 49 pi. And 49 times 3.14 is 153.9 units squared. Naka-squared ang ato units diha. Next, the second example is we have the diameter 20, no? So the area of the circle is equal to 314.2. Nga naman, iusaman nato siya, that's pi d. Sakto ba? Iusaman nato pagko sa 3.14 o 314.2. How did we arrive to 314.2? Everyone. How did we arrive? Si 20, pilang is a radius? Diba kay 10? So, 10 ang radius ni 20. Diba kay 20 divided by 2, natay radius na 10. So, si 10, i-multiply ni mo sa itself, 10. May mo siyang pi 10 squared. So, 10 times 10, the answer is 100. Times 3.14, times 3.14, the answer is 314.2 units squared. That's the answer for this one here. Now, the second example, the area of a circle is given as 995 square units. So, given ang ato area, find the diameter of the circle to the nearest whole number. So, ang ato pangitaon is ang diameter. Again, ang diameter ang ato pangitaon. So, una, we will be using this formula. Ang ato A is equal to, ginoo, kalisod ba mag-type ani? Pi r squared. Ang ato A is equal to 95. Sakto? And then, ang ato pi is 3.14. So, pangitaon nato ang radius. R squared ang ato pangitaon. So, para makita si radius, R squared na, i-divide nato both sides by 3.14. So, nanatay 95, nanatay, dili na ako isita. How many na set? Nanatay 95, sorry, kaya sa ko agi. Wait lang. Ginoo. 95 over 3.14 equals naatay r squared, no? So, para maktangtang si kuan, ato ana i-divide. 95 divided by 3.14. The answer is 30.25. So, r squared, no? So, i-square na to si r. Square root of 30. The answer is 5. Again, so natay r squared diri, no, r squared. So, ang answer nato, 95 divided by 3.14, the answer is Sa 95 divided by 3.14, ang ato answer kay 30.25. Butang nato 30.25. Kung saan gali nato para matanggal si squared sa r, i-square root nato both sides. So ang mabili na lang diri kay si r, kini kay square root of 30.25. So, ang square root ng 30.25 kay equal si just sa 5.5. So, sa 5.5 kay maumani ang radius, kung pangitaon nato ang diameter, ato lang siya ing i-times sa 2. So, 5.5 times 2, the answer is 11. Okay? Giana nato pa ko, the answer is 11. 5.5 times 2, kay radius man, so kung i-diameter na to, i-times na to siya sa 2, nakuha na to ang 11 na units. Now, for the last example, the area of a circle is given as 25 pi. Find the circumference in terms of pi. Ang area daw ng circle na naata kay 25 pi. Area of a circle, 25 pi. Now, ang ato pangitaon kay ang circumference in terms of pi. Circumference in terms of pi. Take note na naatay formula sa area na A is equal to pi r squared. A is equal to pi r squared. Muna ang area, formula sa area of a circle. Now, for circumference, no, kay natay formula na C is equal to 2 pi r. Do not forget that the formula na ato gamiton sa circumference is C is equal to 2 pi r. Now, natay given diri na ang area of a circle is 25 pi. So, natay 25 pi here. No, 25 pi here. So, pangitaon man nato si circumference, so natay 2 times pi times r. No, so after that kay nata diri pi r squared, so na-cancel lang ato pi. Kay pareha man sila na ay pi. Divide both sides by pi, so natay 25 r squared. Para si r na lang ang mabilin diri, you square both sides. So, you square both sa square root di ay square root si ja. So matangtang na ning si 2 sa nanang square root nato, ang mabilin kay the square root of 25 is 5. So r is equal to 5. So in order for us to find for the circumference, atong gamiton si 5 as our radius. Again, si 5 as our radius. So ang ato radius ato i-substitute diri. So 5 times 2, we get 10 pi. So pasabot ang atong circumference kay 10 pi. 10 pi ang ato circumference. Pwede natin multiply 10 times 3.14. Pwede rasan. Okay, last example. No, before kamo ang mohimo. Okay, last example, the circumference of a circle is 18 pi. Find the area of the circle and leave answer in terms of pi. Pwede ra in terms of pi lang ta. Again, ang circumference daw ng circle is 18 pi. Kung sa ito pangitaon, the area of the circle. Again, the formula for the circumference is C is equal to 2 pi r. The area of the circle is A is equal to pi r squared. So, naatay circumference of a circle na 18 pi, no? And then, ato i-cancel si pi o si pi, na-cancel siya, no? Pwede na i-divide na to by pi. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So, we get 9 is equal to r. So, ang ato r day kay 9, so ato siya i-substitute diri. R is equal to 9, so 9 times 9, that's 81 pi. So, this is now our answer for the area of a circle. And that's the end of our